Hello everyone, I am Souvik. Welcome to my channel DINE with Designs. Today we will learn how to draw a building plan in Autocad. Drawing a building plan in Autocad is not a big deal. Anybody can draw it. But before drawing, we need to have sufficient knowledge about the National Building Code of India. You can download the PDF of National Building Code of India by simply clicking on the link which is given in this video description. So let's start the drawing. Here I set up my units in engineering. You can set up your units as per your requirements at the time of opening AutoCAD application or by simply typing the commands units. Okay, I am typing the command units UNITS. Enter. Here as you can see a page is pop up. By clicking on this you can select any units as per your requirement. Okay. At first I will take the line command and draw the building plan. Now width of the building plan are 29 feet 4 inches. Enter. Here we can move the UCS by simply typing the command UCS. Enter. Enter. In this way we can move the UCS anywhere in the screen, and length of the building plan is 26 feet 6 inches. Enter. Now I will take the offset of these two lines. For taking offset I simply type O, enter, and I will specify the offset distance are 10 inches. Enter. Here I will trim off this excess line by simply typing the command TR, double enter. Now I will draw the kitchen of the building. Okay, here width of the kitchens are 6 feet 2 inches and length of the kitchen are 9 feet 5 inches. Enter. And I will take the offset of these two lines O, enter, 10 inches. Enter. I will join these two lines by simply taking chamfer command. Here I am taking chamfer command. For taking chamfer command simply type CHA, enter. Okay. Now I will draw the dining portion of the building. Width of the dining portion are 11 feet 6 inches. Okay. And length are 9 feet 5 inches. Now I will take the offset of this line O, enter, 10 inches. Enter. Okay. Now I will draw the WC. Okay, width of the WC are 3 feet 8 inches and length are 6 feet. Enter. Here I will take the offset O, enter. I will take the offset value 5 inches. Enter. And now I will draw the bath. Okay, here width of the bath are 4 feet 5 inches and length are 9 feet 5 inches. And here I will provide the offset of this line O, enter, 10 inches. Enter. Okay. Now I will draw the bedroom of this building. Length of the bedroom are 14 feet 7 inches and width of the bedroom are 10 feet. Enter. Okay, 14 feet 7 inches and 10 feet. I will take offset of this line by simply typing O, enter, and provide offset distance 10 inches. Enter. Now I will join this line by simply taking chamfer command as I discussed before. Okay. Now I will draw the stair portion of this building by simply taking offset command O, enter, and here I will provide the offset distance are 6 feet. Enter. Now I will take the offset of this line O, enter, and here offset distance are 10 inches. Enter. Now I will join this line and I will take offset of this line which are 10 inches. Oh, enter. Offset distance value are 10 inches. And here I will join this line also. And now I will draw the living room. Here the length of the living room are 11 feet 7 inches. Enter. Now I will take offset of these two lines. Oh, enter, and provide offset value at 10 inches. Here I will join these two lines by simply taking chamfer command. Okay, and draw a line from this point and join this line. And I will trim off this excess line by simply taking tr double enter command. Here I will take offset of this line, O enter, and provide offset value at 10 inches. It is the front veranda part of this building, so I will provide stair in this portion by simply taking offset command. Okay, O enter, and provide offset value at 10 inches, as the thread of the stairs are 10 inches. Enter. Here I will take offset of this line, O enter, and I am specifying the offset value are 5 inches. Now here I will provide a beam of cross-sectional area 10 inches by 10 inches. Now I will join this line. Here I will provide offset value of these lines which are 5 inches. Now I will trim up the excess line by simply taking trim command. For taking trim command, simply type tr double enter in the keyboard and trim off the excess line. Now I will provide the door and windows. Okay. Now I will provide windows in the required positions of these rooms. Okay. Here I am providing windows. Okay. 1 feet 8 inches effort of this point. Now I will take the offset of this line. Okay, now O enter and provide the offset distance are 4 feet, as I am taking the length of the window are 4 feet. Now we can draw the all other windows in this building plan in the same manner I discussed. Okay. Now I am providing a window in this dining positions which is 2 feet 6 inches at this point, and the length of these windows are 6 feet. Okay, we can draw it simply by taking offset command. O enter. Okay, O enter. Here specify offset distance are 6 feet. Enter. Okay, here I am taking the length of the door are 3 feet. Here now I will draw the door by simply taking offset command. Okay, for this I am taking O enter and specifying offset distance are 3 feet. Enter. Now I will trim up these excess lines which are not required. For trimming, simply type tr double enter. Here I am drawing windows. Okay, length of the window are 4 feet. and width 10 inches. Now I will take the layer command for taking dotted line which will show the charger portion of the building. Okay. For taking layer, simply type layer, enter. Okay. Taking a new layer. Here I am taking a new layer. Okay. Which name is layer 1 and taking the dotted line. Okay. Simply click on load and ISO space dash select OK. Take the line. Okay. Now select the layer 1. Now I will draw the charger portion by dotted line. Okay. Now I will draw the window which length is 6 feet. Okay. 6 feet. Now I will copy this window and paste it in the required position by simply taking copy command, enter. I will rotate this window by taking rotate command for placing it in the required position. Now here I will draw the dotted line for showing the edge portion. Now I will draw the doors. Okay, here I am drawing the doors. Now I am taking arc command for showing arc in this position. Now I will copy it and paste it in the required position. Now I am copying it by simply taking copy command and I will paste it in the required position. Here I am pasting it. Now I will provide text in this building plan. For providing text in this plan, I simply type text in the keyboard. I am typing text, enter. Okay, here showing specify first start point. I am specify start point. I am specifying height of the text are 1 feet. Enter. Specify rotation angle 0. Enter. Okay. Now I am providing text. Here I have provided the note symbol at the right top corner of the building plan. Now I will provide the dimension. Okay, for providing dimension, I simply take dimension and provide dimension. Now I will provide hash in the building plan by simply taking command bh enter. Now again bh enter. Select the scale. Now again bh enter. Now I will make a PDF of this drawing by simply selecting this and select on the print, select drawing to PDF and choose windows from these options. I am to select now. Okay, here I am clicking on center the plot. I can see a preview of this drawing by simply clicking on preview button. Okay. Now I am making a PDF of this drawing by simply clicking on OK. Here I am selecting the file destination on my desktop and providing the name of the drawing and building plan new one, and I am saving it by simply clicking on save button. And here as you can see that my PDF is ready. I hope you guys get it. Thanks for watching this video. And if you want the 3D elevation of this building plan, please know me through the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.